Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of 8x multiplied with the square root of 4x squared plus 5 dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals for the square root. So we put the square in the both sides. So we do first the derivative in the both sides. And then we can change the integral in here. This one we change for u. 8x dx we change for 2u du. U multiply with u, you got about u squared. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of u squared, you got about 2u to the power of 3 over 3 plus c. About u, we need to change back for this one. That's the end. Thank you for watching.